for an efficient hot water system for your home in Australia? Check out our top 5 systems that offer great energy efficiency and long-term savings. Number 1, NeoPower. Up to 75% energy savings. Integrated Wi-Fi for remote control, app connectivity, and ultra-quiet operation. Number 2, iStore. High efficiency system with smart boost technology for optimal performance, reducing energy usage while delivering consistent hot water. Number 3, SPT. Saves up to 80% on energy, solar compatible, and features a magnesium rod for enhanced tank durability and protection. Number 4, Reclaim Energy. Advanced smart controller with 9 customizable settings, designed for tough Australian conditions. Eco-friendly and super efficient. Number 5, Ecogenica. Energy efficient with powerful performance, reduces carbon footprint, operates quietly, and is built to handle Australia's diverse climate. Remember, choosing the right hot water system depends on your needs. Consider your home size, the number of people living there, energy efficiency, and your budget. Start saving today with the perfect system for you.